Hello, a very good morning to all the class 4 student. Welcome back to our online class. Can you guess what are these? Do you see anything on the screen? Can you guess it? Okay, you can see a lots and lots of different types of books, right? Do you have these kind of books at your home? Okay, you have a very few of these books at your home, right? So where do you get a lots and lots of books? Okay, all right, very good. You can get different types of books at library, right? So today we are going to learn a poem called Books. So first I'm going to read for you here. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books galore. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves, little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! Okay, now I'm going to explain one by one, okay? Okay, so the first stanza is come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books galore. In the first stanza, the poet is telling that the library door is calling him. And when he opened the library door, he saw there a huge quantity of books in the library. Okay, and so books galore. Galore here means plenty, a number of books, a huge quantity. Okay, you can see the library door here and books galore. You can see lots and lots of books in the shelves. Okay, now from the second stanza, tall skinny books up high on the shelves, little fat books that stood by themselves. In the second stanza, the poet wants to tell us that there were different types of books in the library. There were some of the books like very thin books which could not stand by their own, were kept very high up in the on the shelf. And there were also books which were little fat, which were kept separately and it can stand by themselves on the shelf. Okay, you can see the pictures here, tall skinny books and little fat books are there. And from the third stanza, I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! From the third stanza, the poet took out one of the book and started reading it. In that book, a number of pictures were there, and the poet could imagine the story about the book by seeing the pictures. So he finds the book very interesting and wonderful book too. So in this poem, the poet here wants to tell us about the importance of a library where you can find a number of books and read a book of your own choice. So it's very good if you visit library oftenly. So we are going to read a book, a storybook from your Read Along app, and then we are going to share it in the class group. Okay. So you can see a child is reading a book here.